Okay, so you can make cold brew, and it's as simple as 1, 2, you'll need quality water, 3, and quality locally sourced coffee. How to get started? Let's go over the components of the coffee maker. Let's go over the components of the coffee maker first. Screw on lid, your mesh catch, your 1 gallon brewing vessel. This has your nozzle here, open and close. Coffee. This is Amani's coffee. It's a light roast from Congo. For the 1 gallon full brew, you're gonna do 2 cups, which is about this. And then here I have some filtered crystal water from the tap that I ordered. I clearly need more water, so we will be back. Finally got some more water. Alex didn't have enough water for us. Sucker motherfucker, but here we go. Okay, here we go. All right. Secure your lid. And then wait 12 to 24 hours. And then we'll cut it in. So that's when we'll cut, and then we'll put tomorrow's cut, because we don't have like the magic to switch. I couldn't. And here we are. So you can just leave it in the vessel if you would like, or we bottle it into clear growlers. Enjoy.